to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too.
Joy's faith stayed strong, her prayers enough.
Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only one of the phenomenal Kalingap Love Team, Tancho! The biggest round of applause. Isang madamdaming pagsayaw ni Kalingap David. Sulitin mo, David. Meron kang isang oras para isayaw si Joy. Ito na, pwede kang umiyak. Paikutin mo naman, David. Paikutin mo si Joy.
Paikutin mo si David.
Pinaikot yung bata. Joy, isang mahigpit na yakap para kay Kalingap. At syempre,
Okay, tingin po dito.
Joy! Wala bang eye to eye dyan?
Diwata Joy. Ayan. Alam ko natin na hindi na po siya magbabago. Kung ano man dati, siya ay bago pa sa kanila. At hanggang ngayon, hindi nagbabago. Gali ni Joy. Marami po nakakapansin niya. Isa na po, ang Kuya Rab niya. Gusto po ugali. Opo, no? So lahat po, at yung mga viewers po natin, ang kalingap, ng Daljoy natin, talaga namang humahanga sa iyo, sa iyong kabaitan, hindi nagbabago. Siyempre,
Pasensya na, medyo yung ang haba kasi ng consult ko kagabi. So, masabi ko lang kay Joy, tuloy lang. Hanggat marating natin doon. Sarap ka lang sa pag-aaral. So, muli, ang wish ko kay Joy, manatili ka pa rin ganyan. Kaya na nangyari, huwag ka magbabago. Hanggat nasa kalina, ikaw pa rin ang Joy Diwata na umpisa at hanggang ngayon. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much, Kuya Bobby.
Happy birthday, Joy! Ang masasabi ko lang ay, natatanda ko dati nung mga panahon na magkakasama tayo na kumakain. Tapos nangako po siya sa amin na balang araw pag maging successful daw siya, ay ititreat niya daw kami, lilibre niya kami. And yun ang wish ko para sa'yo is maging successful ka. Pero pagdating ng araw na yun, ang gusto lang naman namin ay hindi yung treat mo. Sana hindi mo kami makalimutan pagdating ng araw na yun. And ayun, alam ko mararating mo yun yung mga pangarap mo dahil napakabait po ni Joy and napakamasipag. Nakikita ko yung niya, yung pagpupursige niya sa kanyang pag-aaral. And ayun, happy birthday Joy. Ingat ka lagi. Ingatan ang puso.
Thank you very much, Kalingap Ian. Lakas maka-CEO ni Kalingap Ian eh. Ayan. Once again, ayan, for the second time around, ayan. Justin, ikaw ulit. Oo. Message.
Happy birthday, Joy. Happy birthday, Joy. So, nag-thank you ako sa'yo kasi ikaw nakasupport ka din sa akin. Happy ko ako sa kayo sa mga nararating niya ngayon sa sobrang daming blessing. Okay, pakinig.
Grabe si Justin. Ganyan-ganyan ako ng grade 6 ako. Ganyan itsura ko. Oo. Ngayon nasa Team Kalingap ko, ibang lalaki na lang. Yung ganda ng katawan ko ngayon. Busog-busog ako. At syempre, palakpakan natin Kalingap Rap! Grabe! Pambihira!
pambihira. Grabe. So, last year po, ang bilis lang ng panahon. Last year, celebrate namin yung birthday ni Joy. Napakaunti lang namin. Doon lang kami sa office ng ALM. No? Sabi ko, kahit konti lang, gusto ko i-celebrate, ipa-ranas kay Joy. Yung kahit simpleng celebration. Yun po ay last year. At ngayon, 2 years, 3 years na si Joy sa Kalingap. Ang masabi ko lang is, Joy, we did it. Diba? Yun. Ngayon pa lang, sabi ni Buddy kanina, pag naging successful, syempre, for me, ngayon pa lang, successful na si Joy. Pero ibang naman yung sa pagiging nurse. Pero sa ngayon, para sa akin, successful na siya bilang isang Kalingap, beneficiary. Palapakan ko natin. Kasi nakita natin kay Joy, kumbaga, subaybayan natin siya. Kilalang-kilala natin siya. Marami na siyang pinagdaanan sa mundo ng Kalingap. Pero sa kabila ng mga pinagdaanan niya, pinakita niya sa atin kung gaano siya ka-loyal sa Kalingap, kung gaano siya katatag, and kung gaano siya ka-matulungin. Diba? Kasi di niyo po alam, yun, sabi ni Justin, tinutulungan niya ang kanyang pinsan. Minsan mga kasama niya sa apartment, tinutulungan din po niya. Pero di niya sinasabi yun. Tumutulong siya ng tahimik sa sarili niya lang. Kaya deserve mo to Joy. Happy 20th birthday. And masasabi ko, di ko na pwedeng sabihin na huwag kang magbago kasi di ka naman nagbabago eh, di ba? 2 years na tayo, ganyan ka pa rin, mahihain. And syempre, congrats sa Dan Joy, kay Insan Dan. Salamat din sa support mo kay Joy. Nabuo yung love team. Salamat kay, syempre kay Kuya Bobby, Ninong Bob. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan, number 1, si Kuya Andy Kayakap. Dahil sa kanya, nakilala ko si Joy. Di ko talaga makalimutan ang unang nakita ko si Nanay. Di ko pa na-interview, umiiyak na si Nanay. Palapit pa lang si Nanay sa amin, umiiyak na po siya. Parang naramdaman niya agad yung pag-asa. Diba? Kaya sobrang saya ko lang kasi narating na natin tong ganito. So yun lang po and thank you. Happy birthday sa Joy. Enjoy your day.
Grabe naman talaga, pambihira. Iba talaga. Thank you so much, Kalinga Prab. At lahat ng mga supporters, thank you very much. Mamaya Dan, syempre, tatawagin kita para sa iyong special na moment with Joy. Joy, dito tayo. There's joy, happiness, love, and everything. Totoo bang nakakaramdam ka ng joy ngayong gabi?
Opo, syempre.
Ganda-ganda mo talaga ng bata. Diyos ko. Naalala ko nga yun, di ba? Sa office ka lang nag-birthday. Pero, tayo-tayo lang yan. Pero, naniniwala ako na sa lahat ng mga beneficiaries and angels, may tamang oras, may tamang panahon. Always do your best. Ika nga palagi. And, alam ko na mag-achieve mo lahat ng mga plano mo sa buhay bilang isang mag-aaral, isang nursing student. Tama? Na hindi ka ba talaga alaga?
Opo.
Tatanungin kita, may gusto ka bang alagaan?
Meron po, syempre.
Sino ito?
Secret.
Dami mong alaman, sinisecret-secret mo ako. Naku, mamaya kakausapin kita dyan. Upo ka na muna, Joy. At syempre po mga kaibigan, sa lahat ng nanunood ngayon, oras na ito, hello sa 60,000 viewers! Live na live!
Thank you sa inyong lahat, sa mga taong asikaso para matuloy yung birthday ni Joy. Thank you po sa inyong lahat, sa mga sponsor po, sa outfit ng pamilya namin. Thank you po. Happy birthday, Joy.
Bakit nagsalita ka pa? Ayaw mo na. Iyak ka na, iyak si mama mo, umiyak mo na wala pang manila. Oh.
Alam ko hindi nagbabago. Ganun pa rin nakalaw. So yun, wala naman akong ibang wish para sa iyo is itugat mo lahat ng pangarap ko. Kasama yung pamilya mo. Alam kong ikaw yung naging sandigan na sandalan ng pamilya mo sa lahat ng bagay. Tutupad lahat ng wish mo and tutupad natin mga pangarap natin. Yun, maging nurse tayo someday. Because you will be the greatest. It will be the greatest achievement for us. And kasi yun yung way na para makatulong tayo sa parents natin and mabigay natin ang magandang buhay para sa kanila.
Wifey, Beyonce!
Happy birthday, Ate Joy. Thank you so much, invite. Yun, ang message ko lang ay sana huwag ka magbago kung ano ka man noon. Pero talagang hindi po talaga nagbabago si Ate Joy. Napaka-humble. Sobrang bait kong ate. Yan. Yung kay Kuya Dan, alam ko makakapagintay si Kuya Dan. Pero gusto ko lang yung, sabi mo, gusto mo di ba makapagtapos talaga ng pag-aaral. Talagang mula po yan, boyfriend since birth. Happy birthday, Ate Joy. Nandito na ako palagi. Pag may problema ka, yun, mahal ka namin mga angels. Love you.
Thank you very much. Kalingap Angel Beyonce. Palakpakan naman po natin. Next on the list, we have Marian. Palakpakan po. Hi, Marian.
Good evening po sa lahat. Happy birthday, Joy. Happy kami kasi yun nga na ang daming blessings na dumadating sa buhay mo. Sana is magbabago. Tapos, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is sana mas lalo pang tumagal yung sama natin. And still, thank you din kasi dahil Thank you din kasi sobrang bait mo. Tapos,
Thank you very much for the love, Mark. Palakpakan naman po natin. And of course, noong ko naman talaga, I love the hair. Wala na may love sa agent na sakta. Charot. Eto na, Pao! Palakpakan naman natin.
Kaya dito. Kinikilig ako ang ganda mo. Sa puti. Happy 20th birthday. Tapos yun. Same lang din ang sinabi nila. Stay humble. And yung sinabi rin ni Ate Eden, huwag kang mag-iwag sa tips sa universe kasi alam namin yung mga lives mo na nahirapan ka na sa pag-birth. Gusto mo na nga mag-side eh. Huwag na mag-nurse ka na lang tayo. Yun lang. It's your day, kaya birthday.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat, Pao. We also have here Angelica. Palakpakan naman po natin. Hello, Angelica. What's your birthday wish?
Happy birthday sa iyo. Sobrang ganda mo ngayon. Ang wish ko lang sana ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. And yung sa pag-aaral ko din, sana maging successful ka. And thank you kasi nakasama na din kita sa mga angels. And nakita ko na napakabait mo. And parang yung pagkasabot din. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Joy.
Thank you very much.
Gusto ko lang sabihin na deserve mo yung blessings na imanin yung sarili ko sa family mo. And na-wish ko lang, siyempre, makatapos sa iyo.
Viewers! Mga kaibigan, grabe! Painitin pa po natin at paramihin pa rin naman nanonood. Ako, kumarin siya. Masyado tayong masaya, pero ito fresh from iyakan. Ang talagang napakaganda, walang kupas, walang kaparis. Nako, bigay niyo yung malakas sa palakpakan dito. Eto na, Grace Matuba! Tol! Normace ka. Sige.
Happy birthday, Joy. Nagkaroon pa sa akin naman. So yan, Ate Joy, happy birthday. Nasa 20 years old ka na. So, sana stay humble. And thank you sa friendship.
For you. Siyempre, pan-level up ang mga surprises natin sa ating dearest celebrant. Handa ka na ba? Sa lahat ng mga birthday, dito nawawala palagi yung mag-dedicate ng special dance. Siyempre, itong mga boys na to, malapit to sa iyo kasi talaga namang iba yung bonding na nabubuo, yung relationship lumalalim. That's why they are here for you para magbigay ng some special performance. Are you ready? Ready na. Joy, gusto ko bang paupuin dito ngayong oras na ito para mapanood mo sila? Everybody, please be ready. Itaas ng dalawang kamay at sabayan natin ang beat. Everybody, at the count of 3. I hope we're good. 1, 2, 3, go! Everybody, clap your hands. Hey, 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 hey. Happy birthday to you. Hey, 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 to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Joy,
Happy birthday! Masaya ako nakasama ako sa special ng araw mo. Sana ay huwag ka magbago at more blessings ka.
So all of you are required to speak in English because not everybody will understand all of you. Am I correct? Okay. This is a very not typical ordinary speeches. Right now, all of you are required to speak in English. Pag nagtagalog, hahalikan ko. Kahit isang Tagalog lang dyan. Now, because I appreciate our viewers, we have foreigners, and very special people live from different part of the countries. Okay, let's start. Speak and, yeah. Oh. Now, go.
So, good evening everyone. First of all, thank you for this wonderful evening and for the very special celebration of Joy. And before anything else, I would like to say happy 20th birthday for Joy Aquino. More birthdays to come and enjoy your special day. And tonight, before I end this word, I just want to say no. Right now, no more water, just water with color. Happy birthday!
Wow, very well said. Palakpakan po, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's proceed with Kuya Bobby. Kuya Bobby, please step forward. Okay, just a quick, okay, just a quick. Go.
Very happy to
Wow, quick message from Kuya Bobby. Very Renz Verano. Now, please step forward. Message.
Joy, happy 20th birthday. Keep up the grass always.
Keep up. Ano?
Keep up the grass always.
Wow! So all of our live viewers want a very meaningful and sentimental Joy, happy birthday. Keep off the grass. I love that. Of course, we have here the very inspirational, the very motivational. With the live viewers watch your reaction video, you speak very, very meaningful for everybody. Now we would like to hear a very special greeting to Joy. Go, Sir Joy.
I just want to say happy birthday, Joy, and wish you all the best. God bless.
Oh, here's safe. Oh my God! Now, oh my goodness, Slade. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Hey, come on. Hey, Papi. Come on, Papi. How are you feeling right now, Papi?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Oh my God, his pie. What is your pie? PRF. Say, okay, for you to be able to speak fluently, you need to move your articulators and stick your tongue. When you say F, with an F, say F. Again. When you say F, it is with air. You breathe from your lungs, from your diaphragm. F. F. Say F. F. Bakit hindi niya mabigay ng hangin? Ako dudura. Okay, now speak to Joy. Greet her.
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Wala akong sinasabing tanong. Okay, now. Okay, right. That's a very good. Now, okay, that's a question. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's listen to the speech of the one and only Norman. Go.
Happy 20th birthday, Joy. Back to studio.
I got what?
Back to studio.
Back to studio. Back to studio. Sir, I have a very special respect on you, sir. Okay, from the library.
Well, that was a very pressured message from Norman. Yeah, well, I want to greet Joy happy birthday and most probably to our viewers on live. And I hope you live well, long life. Yun lang.
Oh! Yes! Kuya, makikinis. Stop!
Hindi mo nagkamali.
Kung ikaw nagkamali, tawag mo na ako. Diyos ko. Bibig ko mo ka ng suso. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move forward to one of this man is, what do you call it? Pinagli, he's the tallest grass bamboo. Such a cute baby boy. Baby chihuahua. Baby chihuahua na baby bulldog. Okay, Lolo. That what? That's bad. That's bad. Oh my God. Okay, what is your message to Joy?
You deserve this all blessing. And happy birthday. That's all.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the pride of Kalinga. One and only for a very special role, special moment to give his valedictory address. A very meaningful message to the president, to the honorable person himself. The tiger, the eye of the living, oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, let's listen for a very special greetings. Hello. I'm sorry, I don't understand po. Okay, I will forgive that. Now, I would like to ask... pumasok po ako sa Team Kalinga para mahalikan ko po si Kalinga Prab. Pero first time ako nahalikan ng palaka.
Edition.
What is... how do you feel about the kiss? How do you feel about the kiss? Yummy sis. Yummy sis. Hinahalikan niya talaga ako. English, okay. I will give you the privilege. Long message.
Happy birthday, Joy. Sana
English, ayusin mo kapag Tagalog, naglalamang ka.
Joy, maging happy ka.
Stop! Amoy kulungan ka ng manok. Gusto mo, mag-English ka nga!
Kiss mo na!
20. Maging happy.
Stop! Tama na, nasukota ka na. I am very sorry to all the viewers. We have a very disposable human being. Okay, let's now move forward to Dick Ramsey. Okay, what's your message, Joy? English.
Happy birthday, Joy. And I wish you more birthday. And stay humble. And thank you.
Come on, kiss. Oh my God, sir. Of course. Marami ka pang kakain ng bigas. Message, sir.
Hi, Joy. Happy birthday. I wish you...
Yes!
I wish you joy. More birthday.
Tama na po.
Yes! Yes!
Wala pa di po siya nagsasalita.
Yes!
Mga dear.
Yes!
Wala pa ba sabi niya? Wala pa yan? Message in English.
Yeah. Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Get ready to rock
My
ball.
message to you.
No, ayan.
My message to Joy. First of all, don't forget to thank God for all the blessings you have right now. No. And second, don't forget that Team Kalingap will here for you. Yeah, Team Kalingap. And third one, my wish for you is that focus to your goal so that your family will be proud of you. So thank you so much.
Wow, very good. Oh my God, we own the handsome baby. Wow. Ito si mong naman, Jubit Maldivino. What's your message to Joy in English?
Joy, before anything else, I would like to say happy birthday, stay humble, and you deserve to all blessings. Happy birthday.
Always remember that you deserve to all blessings. Always remember that. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh yeah, come on.
Hello. Hello, Lolo.
Hello, hello, hello.
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 What message ka?
Joy, thank you for a wonderful tonight.
Okay, Joy, remember the song. Joy, thank you for the wonderful tonight.
Before anything else, Joy, I want to greet you happy birthday. Then, happy birthday to you. You deserve tonight.
Shortcut!
Just wait, I will drink first this one. Thank you.
You deserve for this wonderful tonight. Thank you for tonight. Always, please use the hashtag tonight.
Oh my God, fitness coach.
Tino? Tito? Tito? Oh, just go. Do you gym yourself?
No, okay, go.
I want to greet you happy birthday and I wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. To come.
Okay, have a long birthday for you because there's more birthdays to come. Oh my goodness! We have here the man of the hour, the Incredible Hulk. Dr. Love, what is your message for Joy?
Let's get ready to rumble!
Joy, thank you so much. I remember you as one of them. You are the girl with the most beautiful smiles. Like I remember you as Rita Avila during the time. And thank you for the food. I'm so very. Thank you for the invitation. And thank you for you are one of the most beautiful girl of Kalingap Angels. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, and may you have more birthdays to come. And thanks to Kalingap Club, Ate Edna, Kuya Bal, and all the Kapak Kalingap family. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Alam po, pasalamatan mo na lahat ng supply. Thank you for the invitation. Thank you for the catering. Thank you for the LED wall. Thank you for the venue. Sir, would you like to say anything?
Happy birthday, Joy. To be different answer, I want to wish you and Kalingap Dan a good future. That's all.
Thank you so much. Tapos na pala. Wala na. Okay, now, sir, medyo, here. Sabi ko sa kanya, ikaw mag-propose ng toast, invite mo lahat, taas ang baso, cheers. Sabi po niya, okay, ready, set, go!